How's it going? So I said I was going to order the 22 millimeter Super Engineer version 2, and I made good on my word. Here it is. It's secured to the watch. I'm going to show you how to attach it. There was a lot of different things that I didn't know about from just researching up on it. I had to actually have it in my hands to figure out that some things were not as it seemed. But finally, it's on. It looks great. I have to remove a couple links, but I love it. It's comfortable. It adds that extra weight. But fair warning right now, if you plan on reselling the device, or if you don't want to void your warranty, this is definitely not for you, because there's a notch on the inside here that prevents the piece from going all the way in, and so you have to shave it down. And the way you do that is you just take a knife and you scrape it. It's really, really soft plastic. You just take it off really fast. And if you don't want to do that, I don't blame you. But if you want this result and you don't care about your warranty or reselling the device, then absolutely, this is what you would do. This is the way to go. The old Pebble Steel smartwatch, one, it was super light, and also right where the band meets the watch, there's a piece here that goes straight out, and it's not putting any pressure on the bottom plastic of the watch, which this thing, all it did was just pressed up against it and then eventually caused it to crack. I'm gonna go with my tools step by step and show you how to do this. All right, so first things first, these ends are gonna be too thick to fit in. So what you do is you swap them out from the parts that are connected to the clasp. So if you look real close, these right here are just held in by push pins. So if you push them down, you should be able to release. Okay, so how you do it is push it in and it releases, and as you can see, it's just being side that clasps to the wristband is way thinner than the rest of the links and goes right in perfectly. So what we're gonna do is just flip it around. We remove the band from the clasp and we flipped it around. So now the end that's supposed to go in the watch is secured to the clasp, and the end that's supposed to go in the clasp is gonna go into the watch. The reason why we did that was, I guess the Super Engineer was made for a much thicker opening in a watch than the Moto 360. Now, mind you, this is severely warranty breaking. People are probably not going to want to buy this from you, so there's no reason. So you've just affected the resale value of your device. So if that is a big concern for you, this is a no-no, huge no-no. The fact that mine already fused off here, right here, I don't care. So what you do is there used to be a notch inside the opening here. All you have to do is shave that down. It takes like a couple minutes with a knife, and you just scrape away so that it is flat. And that allows for this clasp to go in all the way. I mean, it was already the perfect thickness to make it in, but that little bit of a notch at the end was preventing it from going all the way. So look, the way I like to secure it is so that my thumb can touch right here. So that means this end If this was the side that was meant to go into the watch, this side has a spacers built in for a tool to get in there. But because this is the side that secures to the clasp, there is none of that space. So that's why you need to get a 20 millimeter, so there's enough play in that, there's enough space in that slot for your screwdriver to fit in, or whatever tool you're using. And I really like that, because right now this metal piece is just sticking out, taking all the pressure off of this round edge here. So it just sticks out and the hinge can move freely. That prevents the fusing. All right, and that's the video. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy, and there are probably some way better ways to do it, but I'm super happy with the result I got. If you have a better method, leave it in the comments. I'm really open to comments. I like to assume the worst of people on YouTube comments, but you know, eventually I do cool off and I do answer your questions. So there's that. And I do kind of like it when people troll. I don't know, it's fun to me, which is weird. I know that. Now I need to go get some help. But yeah, like or dislike or subscribe, whatever you want to do. And let me know if you have a better method, because this one is expensive and it voids your warranty and you're probably not gonna be able to sell your watch. So there's that. Next time, guys. See ya.